Today I'm unboxing the Samsung HW-Q60C Soundbar, and it comes in quite a cool bag here because it also has the subwoofer, of course. It has a bag with the book and the cables, and the soundbar is underneath. It's pretty long here and well packaged, so let's open that up. It has foam and some foil on it, and it's all black. You see the Samsung logo, and it has speaker glass all the way through. Then the subwoofer, it's not that heavy, but it's also well packaged, and it's also black, and it's wireless, so that's great. You get your cables, an HDMI cable, a power cable, then a remote, and even some batteries, a piece of paper with measuring on it so you can mount this on the wall, and even the brackets are included. Just insert the power cord into the adapter and then connect it to the soundbar. It's nicely tucked away under there. Then go on and you can insert an HDMI cable so you can use an external device as well. And there's an HDMI cable that goes towards the TV. Those are also tucked away neatly. Then you need to power the subwoofer, and the Bluetooth light will start blinking. You just need to put the batteries in the remote and turn your device on, and then click on the pairing button so the blue light will start blinking. Now press the up button on the remote for just a while, and you'll know that it's paired when it's a continuous blue light. Now we have everything ready to turn it on and do a test. I'm using my PlayStation here through the HDMI cable right into the soundbar. Then I'm turning on the sound so you can hear it. And now I'm turning the TV on the right HDMI channel so we can see the image as well. So everything goes through the soundbar right into the TV. So let's do a quick test. First of all, I like gaming, so let's select the game. And then you can hear the different sounds here. There's already a lot of bass, and I quite like it. And you can also turn that on a different mode, like the gaming mode or a adaptive mode. You can of course also watch Netflix on this, or Amazon Prime, and set it to surround sound or adaptive. Those are both great. And it's very easy to connect this to your phone or other devices using Bluetooth. Just press the connect Bluetooth button and the screen will turn off and it will be ready to receive Bluetooth. And then you can go through your settings on your phone to easily connect this. It's just right there in your list and you're able to pair it instantly. And that way you can listen to tunes on Spotify.